Alrighty, it is I, Manong, Jireh, back at it again with a new video here, ladies and gentlemen, reacting to quarantine memes sa Pinas. So itong mga memes na to, halo-halo na yung mga nakikita ko sa timeline, pinagsisave ko, nilagay ko sa isang folder, and ngayon, we are going to react or read these memes or whatever the fuck, cause we're running out of ideas there, John. You know, ever since nagkaroon ng lockdown, quarantine, whatever, the memes, 2020 has these juicy memes. Even though 2020 is a bullshit year, the memes though is so awesome, is so juicy, very, very great, very awesome. My plans, 2020. I get it. You know, we got the plans in our minds, and then 2020 just, you know, kinuha ng 2020 lahat ng mga plano natin, and they took a shit. 2020 took a shit on our plans there. Walang kwenta na lahat ng mga plans natin para sa 2020. Haha! Kung tatanungin niyo man ba't nakahubad daw ngayon mga kaunggoy, ang init. It's been 2 months after the PH government declared state of national health emergency and still no plans to do mass testing. We're all gonna die! By the way, lahat ng mga nakikita kong memes dito, either basta nakalimutan ko yung mga pangalan ng FB page, basta makikita niya, I don't own all of these memes, nakita ko lang to somewhere. I feel just like Ned here.
We're all gonna die! Barry! Snap the fuck out of it and run!
Poor Pennywise over here. You know, si Pennywise, wala siyang mahatak sa sewer kasi na-quarantine. Don't worry, Pennywise. Siguro GCQ, may makukuha na din si Pennywise. This meme is from, you know, the legend Ambon memes. There, ladies and gentlemen. Nakakamiss mag-OJT sa jeep. Taga-abot ng bayan. Yeah, that's right. On-the-job training, you know, kasi future job, taga-abot ng bayad sa jeep, and that is it. Totoong trabaho ba yun? I feel you, Ambon memes. Ito, hindi to related sa quarantine, pero somehow related sa quarantine because this happened during the quarantine, mga kaunggoy. 12-year-old K-pop fan says, OMG, Joji was filthy frank. Cancel him, disgusting. Literally everyone, the ability to speak does not make you intelligent. That is damn right. That is damn right. Seryoso ba na ngayon lang nalaman ng mga K-pop fans na Joji is filthy frank? What the hell? Anyway, para sa mga lahat ng mga K-pop fans na nagka-cancel kay Joji dahil si Filthy Frank siya dati, you all are fucking idiots. Shut the fuck up. Filthy Frank is a character being played by Joji, just like Manong Jireh is a character being portrayed by Jireh. Does that make sense? No, it does not make sense. But the bottom line is, he was playing a damn character! Nakakamiss sumakay ng jeep yung halos hindi ka na makaupo. Namiss ko na yung pawis ng katabi ko sa jeep. Sa sobrang sikip, yung pawis niya napupunta na dito. And I know it's fucking disgusting, but I miss that shit. And namimiss ko na yung parang ang hit ng katabi ko tuwing nakasakay ako sa jeep. Namimiss ko na yung natutulog ako sa jeep, and I sort of miss the outside world even though I don't. Okay, I get it. Excited lahat kayo lumabas kasi nakulong kayo sa bahay for 2 months, but there's this thing called social distancing. Alam niyo yun? Social distancing? Okay, I get it. Ang liit ng road, kaya hindi nyo magawa yung social distancing, pero actually, I don't even know anymore. Ito ang lupit nito, nakakatawa pero super relatable pag worker ka, mga kaunggoy, no? Business opens this MECQ. Ano yung MECQ? Modified ECQ. Okay. But no public transports for workers. Administration. Even with these eyes, I don't see how that's my problem. The administration doesn't give a damn about them workers. Damn. Bakit hindi nilang gumawa ng mga shuttle o school service? You guys remember school service? Yung hinahatid sundo yung mga bata from school at galing school papunta sa bahay. Like, do same principle but for workers. And everybody's happy. When you clean your room so well that the only trash left is you. Nakakamiss mag-inom. Tapos, wala kang ambag. Tapos wala kang ambag. Okay. Hey, I know a thing about inom-inom there. You know, dog. Like, I'm a level 100 inumer. I'm a level 100 bartender there, man. Ito, hindi to connected sa quarantine, whatever, memes, pero this one is very funny and I wanna add this to the video. It's awesome. Yung panay pabida na naman yung pabibo mong kaklase, tapos bigla siyang binara ng joker nyo sa room. Ligtas tayo lahat! Yeah, ang lupit pag nangyayari yun. Pero, hindi nangyayari sa amin yun. You know, my grade 11, grade 12 school, yeah, hindi nangyari yun yung joker, biglang binara yung pabida. Hindi talaga mangyayari yun eh. Kasi yung pabida namin kaklase, yun na yung joker namin eh. Wait. No. Pabida lang siya. Hindi siya joker. Alam niyo kung bakit? Kasi kahit kailan hindi naman siya nakakatawa. Kilala mo kung sino ka. Yung mga kaklase ko since grade 11, grade 12, kung pabida ka man and people call you the funniest whatever around, you're not a joker, you're not damn funny. If anything, ang kaya mo lang gawin gumawa ng issue. Shit. Mga Pilipinong naka-quarantine, mga pulis na nag-birthday party. Totoo ba to? Totoo to? May... I guess. At the end of a rainbow, you will find your true meaning in life. God damn it. Here is another one of them memes, dog, and I don't know, it's probably different than the previous one, pero yeah, let's add this.
We're all gonna die!
I hate to say it, man, but this is gonna be a long-ass quarantine. Shit, this whole year will be nothing but quarantine year. You know, 2020 is a complete, utter joke. Pag nag-home workout ka, imay day mo. Nobody gives a fuck if you're doing home workout. Nobody gives a damn. Right? I don't care. No one cares. Not even Facebook cares about, you know, Facebook doesn't even care if you're doing home workout. Nobody gives a fuck if you're doing home workout. Yung puro katarantaduhan ang ginagawa mo, pero palagi ka pa rin nagdadasal. Guardian angel mo. But relate ako dito. Whoever is my guardian angel, I apologize for whatever I'm doing every day. Like, I know I'm an ass or whatever, but I apologize for whatever I'm doing on a daily basis. This is the best meme yet. Well, ito at yung mamayang ipapakita ko, this is the best. Tangina kasi naanahimik yung paniki sa kuweba. Bigla niya masasabawan pota. Who thought it was a good idea na gawing sabaw ang paniki?
I'm Batman.
Like, this whole shit could have been prevented if you just ate normal. Which leads us to this. Oh my god. Oh my god. Quarantine memes. 2020 may be shit, but the memes are juicy. But still, 2020 is fucking horse shit. You know, you guys know where 2020 belongs. It belongs in the toilet. And we all have to flush it. And hindi ko to sinasabi dahil nababaliw na ako. Alright? I'm completely sane. And that's the bottom line because Manong Jireh said so. Like, comment, share, subscribe. Eto, shoutout kay comment of the week na ito ha. This is probably the end screen. Click here, whatever. Subscribe. Simula pa lang ng video, alam mong LT na ang video eh. You repeated the same word pero your comment is awesome. I love you. I love everybody. Shout out Damlao NO1. Gusto ko na matulog.